Floyd's Mayhem Garage here. You know, as if I don't have enough going on. Cleaning, organizing, moving stuff, race car, general mayhem. You know, John's car, Daytona. I enjoy my my side quests, if you will, my distractions. One that I would really like to get working on at some point, and I do kind of want to fiddle with it, is my C500, the big Dodge sitting out back. I bought the chassis for it a while back, and it's been killing me. The motor in it's absolutely filthy. Well, I also got some Super Clean a while back, and I've been kind of dying to see how good this stuff is. So I know the sprayable degreasers are awesome. So I think I've got the perfect test for this stuff. Of course, race car, there's really nothing to wash on that. It's pipes and a crappy paint job. General Mayhem's flat black, engine's nice. Actually, the engine could, and that could maybe use a detailing. But I think this is the golden ticket. Engine bay in this thing's absolutely nasty. And of course, my plans with this is to rip everything off, including the bed. I just want the frame and the drivetrain. So motor, transmission, rear axle, front end, you know. And this is what my C500 is going to go on. So I'd like to get started on this at some point, but look at how disgusting this engine bay is. So, yeah, I think we'll get this cleaned up. And I would like to, at some point, kind of coming up soon-ish, you know how that goes. I'd kind of like to pull this apart. At least get the bed off this thing. So I don't even know how I'm going to get rid of this bed. It's so heavy. It's like the truck is super weighed down just from how heavy it is. So I do want to at least, you know, get rid of that and get moving on that sort of side of the project. Get down to at least a truck, and because pulling the cab and front end isn't a huge task, but that bed's gonna be a big one. So yeah, I'll start with cleaning up this engine bay. Oh yeah. Should probably grab the power washer first, but I don't know. Let's just get this soaking. Smells good. Smells clean. Ooh. Smells like I probably shouldn't be inhaling it. Turbo, motor, heads, here. How about some stream action? I can't reach that far. Oh yeah. Jeez, you can, I know this is mostly just dust, but you can like see the stuff just falling off here. Like, I know this is mostly dust, but it'll clean up nicely. Man, this place is gonna look new when I'm done. Get all over the alternator so that stops working. Oh yeah, that's how I like to roll. All over all of the electronics that I don't plan on using. Yeah. What's the saying? Do as I say, not as I do. Yeah, it'll be alright. Oh, the battery. Yeah, sure. Let's just give that battery a little bit of a wash. Alright. Man, frame and everything. Don't know if you can see down in here. This frame is disgusting and nasty. And but yeah, I'm gonna keep spraying here. I'll get the pressure washer out and we'll give this bad boy a wash, see what it looks like. You know, I'm sitting here just spraying this thing down, and you can, you know, damn near see the dirt and grease like falling off of this thing. And like I said, it smells like you shouldn't be inhaling it. And I always like the you know, the danger or first aid stuff on a bottle. When it sounds like it's something that can kill you or, you know, injure you, it's usually a good product. And this, you know, case in point, may cause burns to eyes and skin, harmful if swallowed, contains sodium hydroxide and sodium methacetylate, yep, that word. Avoid contact with eyes, skin, and mucous membranes. Use only in adequate ventilation. Do not breathe vapors. I'm sorry, what? Anyways, do not take internally. Wear chemical resistant gloves and eye protection when using this product. Excellent, glad I read that first. But yeah, good list of stuff. It definitely seems to be working quite well. Like I said, when things are typically bad for you, those are the ones that work the best. So I also have this in a aerosol can that foams up. I'm curious. I think it foams. May just be an aerosol can. Let's see how that does. And let's see, aerosol can. I guess I just assume that the aerosol can is, you know, foamy. It may not be. Let's see. Oh, it is. It's got a foamy action to it. Beautiful. Okay. Ooh, I think I like this even better already. It visually looks like it's doing more, at least. I like it. I really do. This thing's gonna look brand new when I'm done. I just need to do this to every one of my vehicles before I work on it. Actually, I did this with my sister's Ford. That old motor was so nasty when I started. And so, yeah, this really makes a difference when you go to work on something, when you can actually touch things and grab things without, you know, getting your hands completely coated in grease. It is nice. So yeah, I think we're power washer time. Yeah, you know, do what the directions say. Wear rubber gloves, you know, avoid contact with skin. Follow the rules, you know, same way I'm sure there's rules somewhere that says don't wash your hands with brake clean, but please won't worry about that. I suppose I should follow it up too, since brake clean dries your hands out so much. My personal go-to is brake clean, glass cleaner. Look at the foamy action on that. Oh yeah, lubricates your hands right back up, or lubricates, or you know, moistens them right back up. Yeah, we'll go ahead and dry those off with the same dirty rag we just used. All right, where's that power washer? Excellent. I'm pretty impressed with how this turned out. You know, of course, it's amazing what you can do with a pressure washer on its own, but I think the pressure washer combined with that, the super clean, it did really good. It's pretty thick over here on the block still. I was having kind of a hard time getting back there, but you know, hot damn, this thing's looking good. I think when I actually get this cab off before I put the C500 on, I'm gonna definitely have to redo this, I think, but I am flat impressed with how good all of this looks. Hopefully everything's still sealed like it's supposed to be and no water got in the engine. We'll have to see about that one. And I guess that sort of brings up a point. Let's make sure this thing still runs, I guess, huh? See if I screwed anything up. Let's see. Oh yeah, already forgot. Oh, almost had a panic moment there. Let's see. Anything look like it's smoking? I don't think so. Let's see. Oh yeah, gotta love a 12 valve. Beautiful. All right. Yeah, I think that's pretty fantastic. I want to clean more stuff. That is amazing how awesome this looks. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. I'll keep going with my shenanigans here, and we'll catch you later. Take it easy.